Hey everyone, it's Omkar Kenny here, founder of athletesworld.com. And today I have Shreyas with me, a client of mine who has achieved some phenomenal results in this 12-week program. So, Shreyas, can you just introduce yourself a little bit and tell everyone where do you live, what do you do, and when exactly did you start taking your health and fitness seriously?
Yeah, so hi guys, my name is Shreyas Devdar. I stay in Dombivli. I'm pursuing CA as my career and I work in a firm in Thane. I do my articleship there. I'm doing my articleship there. And so basically, I started taking my fitness a bit seriously in the uh, late November of 2020, I guess. Which was after Diwali and stuff, which was after major chunk of our lockdown, which we spent at our homes, sitting idly, doing nothing literally, and just eating whatever was made at home and many. So there was no exercise, there was no movement of body, and that just made me. One day I just looked myself in the mirror. It made me realize that somewhere this has to stop. So it was after Diwali when I realized that I need to do something about this.
Okay, okay, Shreyas, got it. So, Shreyas, before joining this program, what were the challenges or problems that you were facing?
So when I was at home, actually I could have done a lot of exercise on a daily basis because everyone was at home, but my laziness came in the way. And when I felt that I should do something about it, at that time my office actually started. So then I had a whole day working. So I had to go 9 to 6 around. I was working, and after that it was pretty tiresome. So I couldn't do anything after coming home. And in the previous 3 4 years as well, at times I had tried to do some control over my eating habits and stuff, but that would last only a week or so. And so there was no regularity, there was no consistency in my diet as well as my exercises. So I needed some help from the exterior. Me myself wasn't able to do everything on my own.
Okay, got it, Shreyas. So, basically, your problems were you had a busy schedule, you tried to control your food intake, but you faced some consistency issues, and basically, you were not finding enough time to work out, or you yourself were kind of hesitant to do some workouts, right? Okay,
Yeah.
fine, Shreyas. So, Shreyas, when you approached me and booked a call with me and got on that call, so can you just elaborate what all did we discuss on that call?
On our first call, basically we started with my schedule, and accordingly, so you understood when I would have time to eat, when I would be at which place, at home or at office. So that was quite helpful to you, so that you could plan my diet for me. And you told me many things about our regular eating habits, which we actually shouldn't do, but we do on a regular basis. And there were many small things which we don't notice at times, but which make a lot of difference. Like you said, I remember one thing very properly about the oil use, which you said that
Uh,
uh, not only for me but for my whole family as well, that it would be
yeah,
preferable shift to ghee instead of oil. And the advertising and all the stuff, that marketing that happens about vegetable oils, how it is so it doesn't show you the true picture. It is kind of in disguise, and we just fell for the trap almost every time. Fall for the trap almost every time. So those were some of the things that you told me in our first call.
yeah, right. And I'm happy to know that you still remember it, Shreyas. So that's great. Uh, okay, Shreyas. So can you just remember uh, in the duration of these 12 weeks, that is the 12 weeks program, how much weight did you reduce on approx?
I reduced around 12 kgs in 12 weeks, and
That's
which I
great,
didn't
Shreyas.
possible. I really did not think it was possible, but it happened. So I was very happy at the end of the 12th week.
Wow, that's that's really exceptional, and that's an amazing achievement, Shreyas. So I think it has been a few months since you completed this program. I think not even few, maybe it has been. I think I would say it has been 5 months around that you have completed this program. So Shreyas, have you been able to maintain your health and fitness and weight, or how is the scenario right now?
Yeah. I have been able to keep my weight on the same level where I had ended my 12th week. And even my overall fitness, the way I look is also pretty much the same, which was at the end of those 3 months. Now it is my turn now to push myself even more because I am not satisfied with this, and I have tried 2 3 times to just pull back things, but it hasn't been that easy. When I was listening to you, it was happening somehow, but now I have to bring back that control onto myself so that I can again even reduce more weight and get in a much even better shape. I am in a better shape than what I was, but I want to be in a much better shape even than this.
Yeah, got it, bro. And that is a good goal. And yeah, you should keep going. Definitely, you can do better. There is always a room for improvement. So that's great, Shreyas. So Shreyas, throughout this 12-week period, when you were working with me, did you require to stay hungry forcefully at any point of time?
No. The diet was so planned that I would be having hours, and whatever I would be consuming, that would be good for that 2 to 3 hours. So it wasn't like I was eating very less and I would be hungry for the next 2 hours. I was eating enough to last me to keep me satiated for the next 3 hours, and then again after 2 to 3 hours, I would be eating something else, and it was good. I mean, I never felt that I was being kept hungry.
Good. Okay, that's great. And about the exercise part, Shreyas, so during this 12 weeks, did you require to do any super intense or heavy workouts in your busy schedule that you couldn't manage?
No. There were no intense workouts or heavy weight lifting or any heavy workouts, any kind of. I was just doing some light workouts at my home according to my convenience. When I had a time for myself, it would be around half an hour to 45 minutes light workouts, which was just to keep my body moving apart from my train travel and stuff. So
Sure.
that's it. That was it.
Okay. So, Shreyash, to conclude, you were having like a full-time job, you were traveling long distance for the job, you managed to achieve these exceptional results in your busy schedule just with the help of a good diet plan and light workout schedule that did not tire you before you started your travel and work, right? Amazing. That's great. So, Shreyas, I just have one final question for you. Do you have any last words for athletes world or for anyone who is thinking whether to join this program or not?
I would absolutely recommend anyone who has a thought of joining this program that you should definitely go for it. Uh, you will start seeing the results very soon once you start eating and following the diet plan given by Athletes World. And I have experienced it myself. And the other benefit that I feel from this 12 week workout is whatever the price you pay right now, that's not only for these 12 weeks. I can assure you that it is for full of your life. Once you know what is right for your body and what is to be eaten and what is not to be eaten, these 12 weeks will help you in the future as well. And uh, now I really feel equipped with a kind of secret that which will help me to even get even better and improve my health even more. And that secret is due to Athletes World. So I'm really thankful for that.
That's great. I'm happy to hear that. And guys, one very important thing here that Shreyas just mentioned, I would like to repeat it. He achieved such amazing results, and he said that he saw the results really soon. Why? Because he followed the program as we have been guided him. We have been guiding him. So that's the key to achieve results, and he did it with all the determination and dedication. So that's an important point. And Shreyas, thank you so much for your kind words and what you just said about Athletes World.
Thanks a lot.
And
Thanks a lot.
thank you so much for taking out the time for this interview. And I hope you keep doing well and just keep getting even more fitter.
Thank you. Thank you. All the best to you guys as well.
Yeah, thank you so much.